Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 21st, 2026, and we're diving into TE Connectivity's first quarter earnings report for fiscal year 2026. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TE Connectivity has delivered an impressive report this quarter, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TE Connectivity reported net sales of $4.7 billion for the first quarter, marking a 22% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by strong performances in both the industrial and transportation segments. The company saw a 15% organic growth, which is quite impressive. This indicates that their core operations are thriving, independent of external factors like currency fluctuations or acquisitions.
And what about their profitability?
TE Connectivity reported an adjusted EPS of $2.72, which is a 33% increase year over year. This growth in earnings per share is a testament to their operational efficiencies and margin improvements. Their adjusted operating margin expanded by 180 basis points to 22.2%, showcasing strong operational performance across both segments.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 254 cents based on a survey of 5 analysts. TE Connectivity reported an adjusted EPS of 272. How significant is this beat, John?
This is quite significant. Beating the forecast by 18 cents per share indicates that TE Connectivity is not only meeting but exceeding market expectations. This kind of performance can boost investor confidence and potentially lead to a positive market reaction.
What does this tell us about the company's financial health and management's execution?
It suggests that TE Connectivity's management is executing their strategy effectively. The ability to exceed EPS forecasts consistently is often a sign of strong leadership and a well-managed company. It also reflects their ability to capitalize on growth opportunities in key areas like AI, energy grid hardening, and next-generation vehicles.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. TE Connectivity also reported record orders of $5.1 billion, a 28% increase year over year. How does this set them up for the future?
Record orders are a strong indicator of future revenue streams. It shows that demand for their products is robust, and they are well-positioned to capture market opportunities. This, combined with their strong cash flow of $865 million and free cash flow of $608 million, provides them with the financial flexibility to invest in growth initiatives and return value to shareholders.
Speaking of shareholder returns, they returned $615 million to shareholders. What does this say about their capital allocation strategy?
Returning such a significant amount to shareholders demonstrates a commitment to rewarding investors. It also indicates confidence in their financial stability and future cash generation capabilities. This kind of capital allocation strategy can be very appealing to investors looking for both growth and income.
CEO's vision and strategic initiatives. CEO Terrence Curtin mentioned that the company continues to benefit from investments in data and power connectivity. How are these investments paying off?
These investments are crucial as they align with major industry trends like AI, energy grid hardening, and next-generation vehicles. By focusing on these areas, TE Connectivity is positioning itself as a leader in providing essential components for these high-growth markets. This strategic focus is expected to drive their auto content growth above market rates.
And what can we expect from TE Connectivity in the coming quarters?
The company expects double-digit sales and adjusted earnings growth in the second quarter. Their focus on innovation and customer collaboration to bring next-generation technologies to life is a key part of their strategy. This forward-looking approach should continue to support their growth trajectory.
Key takeaways. In summary, TE Connectivity has delivered a strong first quarter with impressive sales and earnings growth. Their strategic investments and operational efficiencies are clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
TE Connectivity is well positioned for continued growth, driven by strong demand in key sectors and effective execution of their strategy. Their ability to exceed expectations and maintain a robust order book makes them an attractive option for investors looking for growth and stability.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TE Connectivity's performance in the comments below.